The euro has been in recovery mode since bottoming out at a fresh yearly low on Tuesday, and all of this heading into today's key event risk in the form of the European Central Bank policy decision. In the lead up to the decision, we've been hearing a lot more dovish communications from various ECB officials with the clear message that the central bank isn't all that comfortable seeing the market price in too much of a yield differential advantage relative to the US dollar. This has created unwanted upside pressure on a euro currency that isn't looking to get so strong as to lose competitive trade advantage. Overall, the broad consensus is that there will be no change to ECB policy at today's decision. At the moment, the ECB seems to be content sitting back in autopilot mode, feeling good about its current concoction of stimulus tools. As we already alluded to earlier, there has been some upwards pressure on bond yields that presents more stress for the central bank, but we expect President Lagarde to follow in the footsteps of Jerome Powell and downplay risks associated with rising inflation while reaffirming the central bank's commitment to maintain favorable financing conditions and take additional accommodative measures if needed. As far as ECB projections go, things are going to be looking quite a bit different than the last time we heard from the ECB back in January. Back then, growth forecasts were more optimistic and the inflation outlook was more contained. So we do expect the central bank to be making some adjustments that reflect a downgrade to growth and upward adjustment on inflation. The implication here should lean more to the euro bearish side in our view, as weakness from the growth downgrade is likely to be more significant than any adjustments on the inflation front, considering the game we're in, which is a game where central bankers are going out of their way to dismiss inflation risk. Technically speaking, there isn't much resistance in euro dollar up until around the 121 area, which means the euro could rally towards 121 and it wouldn't mean anything structurally. On the support side, we should be paying attention to this week's yearly low, which comes in at 1835. That's all for now.